instructions. Kingpin. There in the spring motors. Hey YouTube, this is Eric from Farmdale Farm. I want to do a short video today on upgrading a certain component, an easy one, in the John Deere 1025R. One of the reasons I went with the 1025R is I heard the seat, well, I read the seat was a bit upgraded from what's on the 1023E. And I'm a big man, 255, 260, somewhere in there. And I wanted to, well, I've been struggling with the fact that the seat really bottoms out for me, and that's been a problem. So I saw a part from bolt-on hooks, and it's supposed to be much bigger springs, and most people have pretty positive reviews for it. So I wanted to record changing it out here to the best of my can, put a short video out there, film straight on my iPhone, kind of using what I have on me, and we'll see if it makes a difference. Bolt-on hooks, send them in a Ziploc. That's what I like about a business run out of a small shop. So these are looking a little bit more stout than what exists in the tractor right now. I think I heard the tractor rated to like 100 pounds each, so 200 pounds total weight. And these I think are weighed to 130 each. So right out where I am weight-wise. And we'll see if they're more comfortable to sit on. So let's get them in. Handy instructions. I'm hoping this is less than 20 minutes to pop new springs in, which means it'll now take much longer. Okay. Step one, remove the clip here, the seat switch, the little safety. All right, that's pretty easy. Next step was removing, ooh, that's an interesting little twirly whirl they got going on here. Focus. Good grief. Doing this one hand. So let's see how this pin comes off. I may need to get a tool here before. There we go. Take this washer off. That's it. There's a long pin. Pops right out, and now we are under the seat deck. So what step next? Remove the two stop bolts. This bar, so down here. The camera doesn't want to focus. So it looks like there's a, is that a 6 or an 8, or maybe a 6? There you go. So it's a 6 on this side. Same on that side. So let's get it off. Okay, that's it. Remove stop bolts. Now remove old springs and transfer the springs to the new springs. Don't lose these. Forgot another step here because it's gonna fold back just like the seat when it kind of rocked forward. And there's clearly these straps here that are under tension that need to be removed before it'll rock forward. So I gotta get these two bolts here. 5mm, 5 and a 6. Gonna need a wrench of some sort underneath. Gonna clamp it. Every man, when you're trying to pick what size wrench, right? Or we put our fingers and we eyeball it. Let's see if I got it right. I'm picking either 10 or 12. Or neither. 2 more sizes. 1/2 and a 14. All right, way to go, John Deere. You're picking metric and combining it with imperial. Okay, took out these strap bolts. For like, I guess, an extra safety feature here. And then we have the C-clamp here, because it's gonna wanna. So let's give it a shot. Don't lose them. Comparing the springers, definitely much thicker gauge here. Hard to really compare because they don't look worlds different, but I'm sure if I press on it, you can kind of feel the difference. So, in their instructions, they said they used to not send these plated so they would rust pretty quick, but now they've plated them, nickel plated them, so you don't need to paint them in any way, which is good because I'm sure paint on a moving structure like this is not very savvy. And then here was the stop on the top, it said. So after, what was that, 8 bolts? So this whole mechanism just kind of floats here. I need to maybe get some grease. Pretty easy. They just are all compressed and there's no bolts or anything. So I heard some people online would use both together. So I'll hold on to these if I'm finding I'm still bottoming out. But now we gotta reverse it and get it all back together. Seatbelt thing. It's all connected here. Apparently this doesn't exist on the older ones, but the seatbelt bar and these bolts and these straps all have to be realigned and all put back together while under the pressure of the springs. So, and there's only this tiny little gap. I can't even, let's see if I can get down here. It's the tiniest little gap between this. There's a bar here where the bolt nut is gonna go. I don't even think I'm getting this. Maybe getting it, I don't know. So, gotta line this all up. Straps back in, springs properly where they are, and put those stop bolts back in and the seat back on. Does it feel any better? And also brought a trusty can of old WD-40 for some of these joints, so maybe see I can stop the squeaking. Maybe. So hey, that wasn't too bad. A little bit of a nuisance in alignment there, but I've done worse projects before, so it seems like it's not bottoming out as much, but that's completely subjective. I need to get out and drive it around, and maybe I'll do that later before I close out this video. And we'll see how it feels in the field when you're hitting the ruts going at a higher speed. but it seems pretty good. Let me get down here. So yeah, I'm gonna put some WD-40 on this and make it a little bit better.